Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Beautybyadaa here. If you're a new subscriber, please click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always checking in. Welcome to my channel. Welcome guys, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you guys all how I did this bridal makeup look. So if you're interested in watching this video, just keep watching till the end. And please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and share. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. So I'm starting off with her brows. This is a bridal makeup. This is like my client, this is a bride, so this is a bridal makeup look. So you just watch until the end so you see what a bridal makeup look actually looks like, right? So first off, I applied my face primer. I used the Rimmel Stay Matte face primer, and after that I do her brows. I use my Jordana brow pencil and my Morphe angle brush. This is the Morphe, the two-sided brushes, the two-sided brush, and then I use my ColourPop concealer to highlight her brows. And after that I go in with applying my ColourPop concealer on her eyelid, and then I'll be blending in with my Real Technique beauty blender. This is not going to be a long video because like you can see, it's not a long video, it's just a very short video, so you guys can just watch it and enjoy. It's not so long, so you guys can actually watch and enjoy. So after applying the concealer on her eyelids, I went ahead and applied my Tara eyeshadow primer, and after that I'm going in with this particular eyeshadow. This is the Morphe and the James Charles palette. I just love that palette so much because it has so many colors in it. It has the, you know, if you want to do a bridal look, if you want to do a glam look, a whatever look, a colorful look, a nude makeup, whatever you're going for, it just has everything in there. So I just love using it. That is why it looks like I use the palette almost all the time with all my looks and everything. So guys, I am still blending in her eyeshadow, and after that I went on to line her waterline, and after that I'm going ahead to use my L'Oreal eyeliner, gel liner. That is actually the gel liner. I got that from Amazon and it's really good and affordable. If you're looking for a gel liner that is really good and affordable, that is your go-to gel liner. It is the L'Oreal gel liner. I got that from Amazon. I went on to line her eyes, and then after that I went ahead to put on her lashes. And then I went on to highlight her face. After putting on the lashes, I highlighted her face using the ColourPop concealer. My ColourPop concealer, I'm highlighting her face. So usually I tell you guys you can do whichever one, but most times I highlight before applying my foundation, and most times I apply my foundation before highlighting. So whichever one works for you, that's fine. Whichever one works best for you, that's totally fine. But either way, both of them just work well for me. And then I am blending in using my Real Technique beauty blender. So after I highlighted her face, I went on to use her shade of foundation to apply her foundation. I'm now trying to blend everything together. These flowers are so beautiful. She looked so beautiful on her day. She's just such a happy bride. She's one happy bride. And guys, you guys, she was just so distracted. She was just turning all the way. Like, you know how it is when you're on your wedding day, you just have so many things to organize and you feel like everything isn't organized. She was just turning all the way. Doing her makeup was a bit struggle for me because she wasn't just, on one place. She was just turning all the way, turning, answering questions, and she had to attend to people. She had to do so many things. So it was quite it was a bit of a bit of trouble for me, but we pulled through. Like, we pulled through. So because I'm just used to working with brides, so I know this is how it normally goes. They want to make sure that everything is going well. They want to make sure that everything is okay. So here I'm applying her foundation. I'm still blending. I don't want any mistake. I don't want her face looking, I just want her looking flawless. So I kept on blending. Plus she was just looking all over the place, and like she was just all over the place, and I was just trying to, make sure that everything goes on well. And after applying her foundation, I went ahead and applied her setting powder. After that, I go ahead and eyeliner her lips, and after lining her lips, I put on her lipstick. I had to go with a natural glam, like I had to go with a natural lip color, something more natural. And then after that, while her face, I'm baking her face, I line her lips. That is what I just normally do. And after that, I use the powder to brush off everything. I'm blending everything. And after blending in, I go ahead and apply her bronzer and everything else. I applied the blush. I'm using the e.l.f. blush, by the way. I got that from Amazon as well, the e.l.f. blush. And then I go ahead and apply her bronzer or highlighter, whichever one you want to use. That is the Milani Fantastic bronzer. After applying her bronzer, I went ahead to make sure that everything is looking okay, that everything is looking perfect, and the look is coming out great, and everything is coming out so perfectly, so well. Everything is going on well. If you have made it this far to this page, like if you've made it this far, please subscribe and click on that notification bell. Share this video and give it a big thumbs up. Share and like this video, guys. If you've made it this far, I will really appreciate it if you subscribe and click on the notification bell. This is the finished look, and she looked so beautiful, and then the wedding, everything went so well. She made such a beautiful bride. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Thank you.